Good morning, students. Today we are going to start exercise 11.2 of chapter number 11, and name of the chapter is perimeter and area. Before going to start exercise 11.2, we all need to learn some formulas related to area of a triangle and area of a parallelogram. Let's start with area of a triangle. Now, area of a triangle is equals to 1 by 2 into base into height. How can we derive this formula? Suppose if we take a rectangular sheet and if we cut this sheet along the diagonal, then it divides into two parts. Then this diagonal divides the rectangle into two right angled triangles. If we superimpose this triangle over the other, then one covers the other completely. So we can say these two triangular bases are congruent and are of equal areas. Now, area of one triangle. Suppose area of each triangle is equals to each right angle triangle is equals to half of area of rectangle. Half of area of rectangle. Now we know that what is the area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is length into breadth. So area of right angle triangle is half the product of the lengths of two sides containing the right angle triangle. Suppose it is right angle triangle, it is the length of the rectangle, it is the breadth of the rectangle, 1 by 2 into length into breadth. So area of right angle triangle is the half of the product of two sides containing the right angle triangle. Suppose if the triangle are not right angle, then we can derive the formula of triangle by using this formula. Suppose it is a triangle ABC, it is not a right angle triangle. It is a triangle ABC. We draw a altitude from A on side BC. Suppose it is altitude AH. Now, we know that area of ABC is equals to area of ABH plus area of AHC. Now, area of ABC, that is equals to area of ABH plus area of AHC. ABH is a right angle triangle. We know that the formula of right angle triangle, half into two sides containing the right angle triangle. ABH right angle triangle is two sides containing the right angle triangle, that means AH into BH. AH into BH. Area of AHC is equals to 1 by 2 into AH into HC. 1 by 2 into AH into HC. Here one half of AH is taken out as a common. We are left with BH plus HC. Here BH plus HC is the total side BC. So we can write it as 1 by 2 into AH into BC. Now BC is the base of the triangle. AH is the height of the triangle. So area of triangle is half of base into height. So we can derive the formula area of triangle is half the product of the length of base and the altitude. In this way you can find out the area of triangle by using the formula 1 by 2 into base into height. Next, we are going to discuss about area of parallelogram. Area of a parallelogram. Now, suppose it is a figure of parallelogram. In parallelogram, we know that opposite sides are parallel and equal. We know that opposite sides are parallel and equal. Suppose it is a parallelogram A, B, C, D. Suppose from D we draw a perpendicular on AB. Suppose it is DN. From B we draw a perpendicular on CD. Suppose it is BM. From the parallel sides, if they are two perpendiculars, obviously their lengths are also equal. Here AB is equals to CD. In parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel and equal. We draw perpendicular from D to AB DN and B to CD BM. Here the length of these two perpendicular are also equal, as these two sides AB and CD are parallel. Suppose if we cut this parallelogram along the diagonal, then it divides the parallelogram into two triangles. It is first triangle and it is second triangle. Now, area of parallelogram is equals to the area of first triangle plus area of second triangle. Now, it is right angle triangle. So area of triangle is equals to, first triangle is equals to half of base. What is the base? AB, and height. Height, that means altitude, DN. Area of second triangle, it is also right angle triangle. We know that the formula of right angle triangle is 1 by 2 into base into height. Here base is the CD and height is the BN. Now AB is equals to CD. We know that in parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So put these values 1 by 2 into CD. DN is equals to BM as the length of these two perpendiculars are equal. Here DN is equals to BM plus half of CD into BM. Half plus half. Here we can take 1 by 2 as a common, or we can say half plus half is 1. It is equals to CD into BM. What is CD? It is the base. What is BM? It is the height. So area of parallelogram is base into height. You have to remember the formula of parallelogram, that is equals to base into height. Now area of triangle is half into base into height. Area of parallelogram is base into height. Let's do some question related to these two concepts, area of a triangle and area of a parallelogram. Suppose it is given to you base of the triangle. Base of triangle is given to you 15 centimeter. You have to find out the height of the triangle, and area of triangle is also given to you, that is equals to 87 centimeter square. 87 centimeter square. Now we know that formula of triangle is 1 by 2 into base into height, that is equals to 87. It is given to you. Now 1 by 2 into 15 into height, that is equals to 87. Now you have to find out the value of height. Height can be find out 87. 2 is the divisor, so when it goes to the right hand side it becomes multiplier. Here 15 is the multiplier, so when it goes to the right hand side it becomes the divisor. 87 multiplied by 2 divided by 15. It is 87 multiplied by 2 is 174 divided by 15. It is equals to 11.6 centimeter. So height of the triangle is 11.6 centimeter. In this way you can find out any one of the parameters. Suppose if base is given to you, area of triangle is given to you, you can find the value of height. In another case, if height is given to you, area of triangle is given to you, then you can find out the value of base. In next case, suppose you have to find out the area of the parallelogram. In next case, suppose you have to find out the area of the parallelogram. Suppose base is given to you 20 centimeter and height is given to you 12.3 centimeter, and you have to find out the area of the parallelogram. Now we know that the formula of area of parallelogram is, we can find out the area of parallelogram by using the formula, that is equals to base multiplied by height. Base is given to you 20, height is given to you 12.3. 12.3 we can write it as 123 divided by 10. 0 is cancelled out with 0. Here 246 centimeters square. Now you have to write down the area in terms of centimeters square. In this way you can find out the area of parallelogram. Let's move to next question. In this question, this diagram is given to you. It is parallelogram ABCD. Here DL and BM are the heights on the sides AB and CD respectively of the parallelogram ABCD. If area of parallelogram is given to you, area of parallelogram is 1470 centimeters square. It is given to you, and length of AB is also given to you 35 centimeter. Length of AD is also given to you 49 centimeter. You have to find out the length of BM and DL. You have to find out the length of BM and DL. Now, area of parallelogram is given to you 1470. Area of parallelogram is given to you, that is equals to 1470 centimeters square. Now we know that area of parallelogram is base into height. Here if we consider this base AB, then height of this base is DL. Here DL is the height on base AB. So AB into DL, that is equals to 1470. AB is given to you 35 and DL, that is equals to 1470. DL can be find out as 1470 divided by 35, that is equals to 42 centimeter. In another case, if we take AD as a base of the parallelogram, then BM is the height of this parallelogram. It is given to you. BM are the height on the side AB. So, area of parallelogram in another case, area of parallelogram is equals to the base AD and height BM. Area of parallelogram is given to you 1470. AD is given to you 49. You have to find out the value of BM. Here 1470 divided by 49, that is equals to BM. Now it is equals to the 30 centimeter. Here BM is equals to 30 centimeter. BM and DL are the heights. So here unit is centimeter. Now DL is equals to, here we can find out the value of DL, that is equals to 42 centimeter. BM, that is equals to 30 centimeter. In this way you can solve questions related to area of parallelogram and area of triangles. Thank you.